Good day, everyone. It's nice to finally be at the end of the Hamoye internship. It has been an utmost pleasure working with all of you. So, I and my colleague Paul Kennedy, under the tutelage of Mr. Goodrich in Team Goodrich, were able to create this dice roll simulator app, at least modify it. So, this is the source code which allows us, as you can see, this is why you have defined display width, height, and all of that. This basically allows us to use the images we're given and kind of imitate a dice roll. So it will change the dice. It will get the from a path in our system to get the pictures which were given and then use a range to just go through them, and then we initiated random so to get to them as random and just make that look nice. And so this is all of that. There wasn't much to do here. We worked on the frame rate, we worked on the display, but the main work comes in the app.py. So what we did the to-dos. We created a sub process which allowed us to run this dice animation in this app.py instance. And then we're able to create a bar chart where we were able to pull up the number of the frequency of each number that was rolled. And that was stored in the communication.txt file, as you can txt file. And then we separated each, and then we plotted a bar chart, and I'll show you that soon enough. So we did a lot. We updated the stats. What this helps us do is it ensures that each time another person rolls a dice or it's rolled, unless you specifically click on clear statistics, it will just keep updating and updating and updating. So that's the point. Now, unfortunately, clear statistics has not been fully implemented. It has some bugs and some issues, as you see, but let's run the app for your pleasure. So the app is running, then I'll load it on my web browser. That should be, and here we go. Voila, our virtual dice roller. So we roll the dice, and then you can change it. You can see, you can keep track of this if you want to. So we are changing and changing and changing and changing. It's moving around up. Then at the end of this, you could view the statistics. You can see the distribution. This is the number of dice, and this is the frequency. So we have this button for clear statistics. Unfortunately, it's not fully implementational yet, but we intend to work on that later. So you can see 5 is the most. 5 was shown most times, even though it was random. Somehow 5 is the most occurring, followed by 3 and so on. So this is the point. And then we have another button to get the statistics so you can get the number. Unfortunately, this is also not fully implementational yet. Has slight issues, which unfortunately, when trying to resolve, affected the entire code. So we'll still work on that, but for now it is not working as well as we would like to, as you can see. So this is our virtual dice roller game. Hope you enjoyed our little presentation, and I look forward to your response.